Hi everyone, and welcome back to Eamon's Digital Designs. Today, I'm going to show you how to design a stunning promotional poster for Wall's ice cream using Canva on your mobile. First, open the Canva app. Make sure to choose the portrait orientation because it's ideal for a promotional design like this. This is where the magic begins. Next, I added the first Cornetto ice cream image. To do this, tap the Upload button and select the image from your device. Once it's on the canvas, we need to remove the background to make it stand out. Now, let's add the second ice cream image. Just like before, upload the image, remove its background, and place it on the canvas. This time, I positioned the second ice cream slightly behind the first one. This layering effect adds depth and makes the design look more dynamic. Take your time to arrange the two ice creams. Play around with the size and placement until you're happy with the composition. Positioning is key here, so adjust it until it feels balanced and visually appealing. Once the images are set, it's time to work on the background. Go to the Background tab and choose a gradient design. For this poster, I selected a warm brown and gold gradient. These colors complement the ice creams beautifully and create a premium look. Background selection is crucial. It sets the tone for the entire design. Don't rush this step. Experiment with different gradients and colors until you find one that enhances your overall theme. Now, let's make the ice creams pop by adding a glow effect. Go to Elements and search for Glow. Once you find a shape you like, add it to the canvas and place it behind the ice creams. To soften the effect, reduce the transparency of the glow. This creates a subtle, professional look. I even added a second glow layer for extra emphasis. These small details can make a big difference, so take your time to get the glow just right. To add more depth to the design, I included a textured element in the background. Go back to Elements and search for Texture. I chose a subtle, grungy texture and placed it over the gradient background. To blend it seamlessly, I lowered the transparency. This step adds sophistication and prevents the background from looking flat. It's these little touches that make your design stand out. Now, it's time to add the Wall's logo. Upload the logo to your canvas and place it at the top center of the poster. I changed the logo's color to match the overall design. Branding is important in any promotional poster, so make sure the logo is prominent but not overpowering. Let's move on to the text. The main highlight of this poster is the Buy One, Get One Free offer. Use a bold, clean font for this text and align it to the left. I chose a combination of white and gold colors to make it stand out against the background. Take your time here. Adjust the font size, spacing, and alignment until it looks perfect. This text is the first thing your audience will notice, so make it as eye-catching as possible. Above the main text, I added the phrase "special offer" in a smaller, elegant font. This adds a touch of sophistication and creates a visual hierarchy. Again, align it carefully and choose a color that complements the rest of the design. At the bottom of the poster, I added a section for terms and conditions. Use a small, simple font for this text, as it's not the main focus of the design. This step adds a professional touch and makes the poster look more polished. For the finishing touches, I added a small heart icon near the ice creams and a chocolate splash element behind them. These details add personality and make the poster more engaging. Remember, it's the little things that bring your design to life. If you're impressed with this design and need professional graphics for your business or personal projects, I'm here to help. At Emaan's Digital Designs, I offer a wide range of graphic design services tailored to your needs. Here's what I can do for you. Social media posts, eye-catching designs for Instagram, Facebook, or any platform. Promotional posters and flyers, like the one I just created, perfect for showcasing offers and events. Logo designs, custom, unique logos that represent your brand. YouTube thumbnails and channel art, make your channel stand out and attract more viewers. Business cards, sleek, professional cards to leave a lasting impression. Banners and brochures, ideal for both online and offline promotions. Let me bring your vision to life. Let me help you create something truly amazing and unique. You can contact me through the links in the description or DM me directly. Once everything was in place, I downloaded the design in PNG format for high-quality Canva. Makes this process quick and easy, so you'll have a professional-looking poster ready. And that's it. This is how you can create a professional promotional poster using Canva on your mobile. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. And if you're looking for custom graphic design services, feel free to contact me through Eamaan's Digital Designs. Let me help you create something amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until bye!